Vrushali and you are watching Vrusharaj Classes YouTube channel. Today I am going to show one interesting activity. Right from our lower class, we have already studied the parts of plant. Different parts of plant: root, stem, branches, leaves, flowers, fruit. These are the main parts of the plant. In that, what is the importance of leaf? We know that leaves prepare food for the plant. Plants prepare their own food and leaves are called as kitchen of the plants. Leaves, with the help of sunlight and other required ingredients, they prepare the food, and we know that this process is called as photosynthesis. Apart from this, leaves, they perform one important function, very important function. And what is that function? That we are going to check in this experiment. So to perform this experiment, I have brought here 4 mango leaves. Here are the 4 mango leaves. You can take any such type of big leaves to perform this experiment. So I have taken this 4 leaves here. Now what I am going to do with these 4 leaves? See, why I am performing this experiment, I am going to tell this at the end of this video. So you have to watch this video till end. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe to get the regular updates of such interesting videos. So let's continue with this experiment. So what I am going to do with these 4 leaves, I am going to apply Vaseline to these 4 leaves. Now in what way I am going to apply Vaseline? Let's see. So these are the 4 leaves and here is the Vaseline. So what I am going to do, to this first leaf, I am going to apply Vaseline on both the side of this leaf. I'll just keep this leaf over this leaf and apply the Vaseline even on the lower side of this leaf. Without leaving a single part of this leaf, I have applied Vaseline on the upper and lower part of the leaf. I'll keep this leaf aside. Now to this second leaf, we'll apply Vaseline only on the upper part. So I have applied the Vaseline here on the upper part of this leaf. Now to this third leaf, I will apply Vaseline on the lower part. Properly I have applied Vaseline to the lower part of this leaf. Now what to do with this 4th leaf? This 4th leaf we have to keep as it is. We are not going to apply Vaseline to this 4th leaf. So to this first leaf we have applied Vaseline on both the side. Second leaf we have applied Vaseline only on the upper part. To this third leaf we have applied Vaseline to the lower part. And this 4th leaf we are going to keep as it is. Now we will tie these leaves to one string. Okay, we will tie these leaves to one string and we will observe the changes. This is the string I am using here. This is a jute string. You can use any thick string or thread to tie these leaves. So we have tied these 4 leaves to this string. So we have applied Vaseline to our 4 leaves and we have tied these leaves to one string. Now daily we are going to observe the changes in these leaves. So we will have to wait for a few days to check the changes in these leaves, and then I will tell what is the reason for that change and why did we perform this experiment. See, this is the first leaf for which we didn't apply Vaseline at all. Now on the second leaf we have applied the Vaseline on the lower side. To this third leaf we have applied the Vaseline only on the upper side. And to this last leaf, we have applied the Vaseline on upper as well as the lower side. So now let's observe these leaves for a few more days. Now this is the condition of our leaves on 8th day. Okay. Now I will show you each leaf separately and I will tell you the reason why the condition of this leaf is so. Okay. This is the leaf to which we didn't apply Vaseline at all. See, this is completely dry now. Okay, we didn't apply any Vaseline here. Now to this second leaf, we applied Vaseline only on the upper part of the leaf. Only on the upper part. Here we applied Vaseline only on the upper part. So this is the condition of this leaf. This is the third leaf to which we applied Vaseline on the lower part. This is almost fresh. Still it is fresh. Yes. We have applied Vaseline on the lower part. Only there are few dry patches here, or else the leaf is almost fresh. And the fourth leaf. Here we applied Vaseline on both the sides, on the lower side as well as on the upper side of the leaf, and this leaf is completely fresh. Yes, even after 8 days this leaf is fresh. Now what is the reason? I told you that I will tell you the reason for this experiment at the end of the video. Here the leaf, along with photosynthesis, they perform one more important function, that is transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of water through the leaves. Now from where these water molecules escape in air? These water molecules escape in the air through the small openings on the leaf, that is stomata. It is called as stomatal openings or stomata. There are many stomatal openings on this leaf. They are more on the lower part. Yes, most of the stomatal openings are on the lower part of the leaf. So when we apply Vaseline, we are blocking the stomatal openings and we prevent this leaf from transpiration. So whatever water molecules are present in this leaf are locked. If we block the stomatal openings, the water molecules are blocked in this leaf. So here on this first leaf, as there was no Vaseline at all, the water molecules, they easily escape in the atmosphere through the stomatal openings. Then to this second one, as I said, most of the stomatal openings are on the lower side of this leaf. Here we can say back side of the leaf. As there was no Vaseline on this lower side of the leaf, water molecules, they escape. Most of the water molecules, they escape through the stomatal openings. Now the leaf on which the Vaseline which was applied on the lower part, okay, some of the water molecules, they escape from this upper part of the leaf, but still most of the water content was trapped in this leaf. And the last leaf, why it is fresh? Because we prevented transpiration by applying Vaseline on both the side of this leaf. This transpiration is important process in plants. The first importance of transpiration is it provides the pull for the water molecules. See, whenever we water the plants, in which direction the water is, we can say, absorbed by the roots? It's against the gravitational pull. Did you think over this point that water rises in the opposite direction of the gravitational pull? So some pull is required, isn't it, to pull this water molecules. So this transpiration helps to pull the water molecules against the gravitational pull. And the second importance of transpiration is it keeps the temperature of the tree below the damaging level. Yes, because tree whole day they stand in the hot sun. Just imagine if someone makes you to stand in the hot sun for the whole day, what will be your condition? And the trees, they stand in the hot sun. So in summer season, this transpiration process keeps the temperature of the tree below the damaging level. So these are the 2 points in which the transpiration helps the plants. So this is why we perform this simple but beautiful activity. Even you can try this at home and check. You can check it with different leaves. And as I said, science is incomplete without activities. When we perform the activities, then only the concepts become clear. We will come with few more interesting activities, and for that please do subscribe our channel so that you will get the regular updates of such interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.